Hello everyone. Thank you for uh, arranging this amazing WordCamp Malaysia. I've been really great honored to attend as a speaker here. So today my talk is about what is WordPress headless CMS and why I've been using it. In early 2020, I have been attacked a massive hacking attack, and all of my websites, including my demo sites, it's around 15 websites, uh, uh, got damaged, and I have lost a huge sales. After on 2021, it happens repeatedly. So I was thinking that I need a sustainable solution to how I have been protect my websites and uh, and less loss by sales. So I've been searching for a solution, and I have found headless CMS is the best solution for me because it is easy to maintain and a sustainable solution. And it also reduces hacking and security up to 70%. So I am Little Arpin. I am from Bangladesh. I have started my career in early 2009, and I am running a small WordPress plugin development company. Uh, Already introduced me. So my talk is about uh, WordPress headless CMS and sorry. So I'll talk about what is WordPress headless CMS, its benefits, its speed, reliability, flexibility, consistency, and challenges. Sorry, I'm. So you can see the pictures. This is the symbol of a human body without head. This is a new technology for working with WordPress, and there is a CMS behind your website, and there will be a front end with no footprint for WordPress. What we see in normal WordPress websites, that there is a front end layer and there is a back end layer. In normal website, in normal website, sorry, front end and back end are tightly coupled. That's why, sorry, I'm getting nervous. So CMOS headless WordPress, CMS is not responsible for rendering contents and collect data via over API. It has also separate architecture for rendering contents. In this picture, we can see that while a user agent requests a website, there is a front end and back end layer. Backend is responsible for providing the request and with assets, contents, and comments, and other data. Right side, you can see that headless architecture with there's a front end, there's a API layer, and CMS behind that. In this picture, the same as I described before, that while a user requests for a content to the server, it provides images, videos, and other contents. And below on headless CMS, there's a API behind the server and behind the front end and back end. API API is responsible for providing contents. So, as the popularity over last 5 years for headless CMS, You can see the graph is increasing in 2023. Why WordPress as a headless CMS? Because it has needs. While the user needs is important, but there are many ways to satisfy them. While you are deciding to while you are deciding to convert your website in headless, because sorry, sorry, okay. The next is customization. You can easily customize the front end as per your needs. It is cost effective also, and is easy to it is cheaper to maintain. There are lots of advantages for headless CMS. It has because you are getting in WordPress admin default admin UI. Don't need to you don't need to design and develop admin user admin UI also. It has built-in roles and capabilities. It has database structures. There's a independence of server setup because all the servers are supporting WordPress uh, by default. Another thing is your content already in WordPress, and you can get benefits by custom post types, taxonomy, and metadata. And most importantly, WordPress has built-in REST API, which is very important. In this picture, you can see that REST API is communicating all the user agents and behind the CMS. So, what it requires to build a headless CMS? It has REST API for custom endpoint. You need to create a few endpoints as per your needs. You need to install few plugins like WP REST API, WP GraphQL, and for security purpose, you need to you can use cookie-based authentication, OAuth, or application password, which is built in WordPress. And you can write your code in on your preferred language like React and Vue.js. Other plugins like advanced custom fields, GraphQL plugins, it has offset pagination and meta query. So, what is API first CMS? API first CMS is because API is the first layer. In tightly coupled WordPress, there is a front a user request, and it's communicated with database, and database is communicated with assets. There are lots of internal functionalities. But in API, headless CMS, API is responsible for everything. Front-end framework for rendering contents. You can use front-end frameworks like React, Vue.js, and there are few awesome frameworks like Next.js and Gatsby. Those are built with React. And for Next, for Vue.js, there's another framework like Next. You can by using those, you can solve speed problem, SEO, and accessibility problems. So you can choose any of them, like Gatsby or Next.js. I prefer Next.js because I need lots of customers who is not available in Gatsby. That's why we go through with Next.js. Other frameworks like Fast, Angular, and Ember.js. This is the best combination for building a headless CMS: WordPress, GraphQL, and Gatsby, and very popular also. Why you should use a headless CMS? Because you may have already data in or existing website. There's no time for building a new. There's no time for building or converting your website like Laravel or Python, and you need to pull data from your existing CMS. You have the front-end resources available in your company or in your in-house. So another is you want your preferred language, like if you are comfortable with React or Vue.js, you can use any of them. You, there's another thing I like headless CMS because there's a lot independency for design tools, like you can't get benefit by default WordPress themes, and you are independent to design anything in headless CMS. Another another important thing is that it can be used in multi-device like IoT, VR, and website as you can. Headless is best for content those are regularly updated and added. There are lots of benefits because it has performance focused, speed optimization, image optimization, and it has a decoupled architecture. You can use your preferred JavaScript frameworks, and there are it has less WordPress plugins in your front end, so hackers or other cannot see the front end on your WordPress footprint. So you are fully you are getting fully freedom for front end. It has well structured data, future proof content. It has security and scalability, team flexibility, and consideration content repository. Speed, because speed is the main key in ranking your website. This is our website. We managed to get up to 98% speed in Google speed index, and we have already marked all the signals are green. Front-end rendering. This is kind of a little complex because you need to decide which structure you will follow. The way we have developed in our system, we hosted our code in GitHub. We just post on GitHub. GitHub action will run, and npm build will run, and Docker start. This is our front end structure. But you can use Netlify or Vercel for easier your task. This is the best solution as far I think. Thank you. Sorry guys.